Visual GT. So today is a rainy night, but oh, my hair got drenched. Oh man, my spectacles so drenched, and look at my neck. So, man. And my clothes, some of my clothes are drenched too. Even my shoes are drenched. But guys, I already took out my shoes, and oh my, I stepped on the puddle until it came to my tip of my pants. So guys, remember to subscribe to Visual GT and hope you enjoyed more than me, because I got drenched up and oh my. Wanna see my back? Oh, sorry. It's damn wet. Man, it's damn 32. So guys, bad luck. So I hope you subscribe and you like my video. And yeah, don't forget to smash the like button. A like and a dislike. Just cancel the dislike and press it. And subscribe too. So guys, bye YouTube.